Hello guys! I'm Luca Campos, this is Curiousteca, and today I'm gonna show you some of my best students projects. I hope you like it, so let's play it!
Hi guys, this is the first day of my vlog. I haven't done much yet. I don't know what time is it. It's 3 p.m. and let's see what I have done today. Today I have made rice and I have read too a bit, and I'm always finished the book that I'm reading. That is Hair or Fire. That's it. To start the other one, just as I finish this one, the other one that I'm going to read, it's called Queen of Shadows, I guess. And I'm going to read on my phone. I cannot show you the books, but this is it. As I said, I haven't done much today. I haven't had much to show. So when I do something, I will come here and I will show you guys. But until that, I'm going to finish the book. But it's always finished. It's like 20 pages, I guess. And that's it. Guys, I'm here to give you guys a little update. I know that my light it sucks, but you have to deal with it. It's already 9 p.m. I am with this tired face because it's already night, but I am tired. I'm not sleepy, but I'm tired. I finally decided to do my not homeworks, because now we stay the whole time at home. All my schoolworks I'm going to try to release them, but I'm a really impatient person, and it's taking a whole time to download and to open all the stuff. So I'm going to try to do the most schoolworks that I can, so I can be free. But I'm not going to be free ever, because every time I finish my lessons, I have a lot of other ones to do. So I'm going to show you the lessons that we are having right now. This is my computer, and this is already opened English classes. So we have technology, we have math, and we have geography. We have, this one is not mine, so just consider, science, and we have Portuguese, English. Why is it 2 points right here? Can you see it? You have already seen it, right? Those. I don't know why. But anyway. So we have English, have another like additional classes.
I am not this one, and I'm not this one. And we have this, doesn't matter anyway.
History, we have marketing, that is my one. And we have physical education. I hate physical education. And I'm going to start with the English one. Okay, we have the first master. If it tries, I'm going to be thankful. Until that, we wait. I'm really a patience person. I think I have already mentioned this before. And it doesn't want to come because it says that I have not the connection. And then the people will ask me, why are you not sending the lessons? Because every time you try to, I don't have connection to. Is this answer enough to you? So I asked myself why. Why am I leaving? You know why? So anyway, today is, I haven't said today, have I? Today it's Thursday, and I'm here in my room. You can see all the mess, so you can already identify it as my room. So, my try was failed, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to probably finally finish the book that I'm reading. I'm going to talk to you probably tomorrow. I don't know. We're going to see. So bye. Hi guys. Today is July 31st and it is 1 p.m. right now. I'm going to cook today, and today I'm going to show you. So today they were wrecking a wall, and there must be like parts of the wall all over the ground. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm going to show you.